Hello everyone, quick video on how to fix the parking brake on a Roadsmith Goldwing GL1500. So with the two rear tires and no park on this, they use this handheld parking brake under the right side passenger's footrest. It's got this nice little leather wrap over it. So if you just take that leather wrap off, there's just Velcro and a snap here. What you'll see on here, there's two 11mm nuts. I couldn't find any adjustment back here on the caliper. It's actually a drum in disc setup. So you can see the disc brake there, and it actually inside of that disc, that drum rather, is where the parking brake is. So if you come in here, tighten it up a little bit. So I've tightened it up a bit already. You see when it's not engaged, wheel spins. I'm starting to get a little bit of brake noise, so I'm going to back off just a little bit. And we'll spin it. And that's just the brake noise from the main rotor, not the brake. So I'm going to leave it there. I'll put the other nut back on, lock them together so that they don't spin. I'll do that later. But you see now when you pull up on that parking brake, there you go. She don't want to spin now. And I assume if I really pull and get that next click, there you go. That is a parking brake. All right, thanks guys. Hope that helps.